Hello guys, my name is Kaushal Patil and our today's video topic is methods of string in Java. So let us discuss first what is string in Java. So basically string, we can say that string is a method. String is a method which is used to store n number of characters in sequence. So in in string we use we use the number of methods in which we can do the we can perform the different types of tasks. So today we are going to see such methods used in string. So let us see some methods used in string. In the string class in the string class consists a set of built-in methods that you can use on strings. So first one is the first method is char@. Method. So char@ method is used to return to char@ method is used to return the character at specified index position. The return type is the return type is char. Then next method is the next method is compare to method. This method, these two the two strings compare with each other and give the return type in integer value. This method is also called as compare to lexicographically method because it gives the return value in integer. Then the next method is compare to ignore case. This method is used to compare two methods, but returns in boolean. It returns in boolean, and it can be it can be compared the two methods by it can be by ignoring the uppercase and the lowercase. Then the next method is concat method. Uh, concat method appears a string to the end of the string means this method joins the two strings and create a single string. Then the next method is content equal method. This method gives the return in boolean and check whether the two strings are equal or not. Then the next method is starts with method. This method is used to check whether the given string starts with the string which are provided second. It gives return in boolean. Then the next method is end with method. This method is vice versa of starts with method. This method also gives return in boolean and it checks whether the given strings end with the string which is given second. Then the next method is then the next method is length method. This 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 method gives the return in integer and it gives the length of our string. Then the next method is uh, to uppercase method. This method is used to convert the given string to the to to make it in uppercase. Then the next method is to lowercase method. This method is used to create the given string to the lowercase method. Then the next method is index of method. This method gives the return of the return of the first occurrence character index of the first occurrence character. Then the next method is trim method. Trim method. This method is used to remove all the extra spaces at the starting and at the end of the string. It will this method remove all the extra spaces. So these are some methods used in string in Java. Thank you.